Struggling to add new pages or fix your hosting or navigation menu? Watch this. I will show you exactly how in under 5 minutes. First, we will access the Layers panel. Then we will manage the main navigation and other pages. Let us dive in. So, start by opening your site inside the hosting or website builder. You want to make sure you are in the editor view, the place where you drag and drop your content. That is your starting point. Now, look over on the far left side of your screen for the Layers icon. It looks like a stack of papers. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a side panel that shows you the structure of your entire website. This is where all the magic happens for organizing things. Alright, in that Layers panel, you will see a section called Main Navigation. Click on that. This is the menu bar that sits at the top of your website, the one your visitors see first. We are going to rearrange it so it makes sense for them, and here is the really important part. Next to each item in that main navigation list, you will see a little grid icon, like 6 tiny dots. That is the drag indicator. Click and hold on that icon, and then just drag the menu item up or down to a new spot. You will see a blue line appear, showing you exactly where it will land. Let go, and you have reordered it. Now do that for the rest. Just keep dragging those menu items until you have them in the order you want. Maybe you want your shop page first, or your about page right after the home page. You are in total control here. It is really satisfying to watch it snap into place. So now that we have the main menu looking good, scroll down a little in that same Layers panel until you see a section labeled Other Pages. Click on that. These are pages you have created but are not currently visible in your main navigation bar. Maybe it is a privacy policy or a thank you page that you do not need front and center. Finally, take a look at the option that says Hidden from Navigation. This is where pages go when you want them to exist on your site, but you do not want them visible in any menu at all. It is perfect for landing pages for ads or member-only areas. You can click that section to see exactly what is tucked away, and that is it. You can now confidently add new pages and completely restructure your hosting or website navigation. It takes a little practice, but once you know where those tools are, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.